Hello guys! Welcome back to the channel Feel Cycle Life. For this video, may quick unboxing lang tayo ng new cycling shoes natin from Lake Cycling. So this is the Lake CX219 at ito ay na-purchase ko from Missing Link Cycling sa Eastwood with an SRP of 9,950 pesos. The shoes are color white and yung size na kinuha ko is size 41 or size 8.5. Usually in other shoes, I am a size 42. So you may ask, paano ko ba nalaman na size 41 ako, which is actually a full size down? Looking at the back, we can see a pretty informative sizing matrix pati na rin instructions at the top. The same information can be found sa website ni Lake Cycling. So basically, we traced our feet sa bond paper, ni-measure natin yung length at width in millimeters, then sa length we added 5 millimeters to get our correct length. After that, pinagbangga lang natin yung two values sa table to see more or less kung ano ba yung tamang size na dapat sa atin. So again, the same instructions and information can be found over at Lake's website and I will post the link below. So wag na natin patagalin yung unboxing at buksan na natin yung box. Opening the lid, the first thing that we will see ay mga paperwork. So merong BOA promotional tag because merong BOA dial itong sapatos na to. And then we also have the warranty information. On the warranty, it's nice to know that Lake has a 2-year guarantee for road shoes, but of course, subject to some policies. They also have a crash replacement policy available to consumers, which gives the consumer a 30% discount for a claim filed within the first year from purchase date. So kudos to Lake for that. Let's put these things to the side and bring out our main event, which is syempre yung sapatos. Labas muna natin siya at itabi natin yung box, and here they are, the Lake CX219. The shoe sports what Lake calls a Clarino microfiber and mesh upper. Again, I got this in the color white, but for your information, there are also other colors available such as all black. There's also red, pati na rin gray reflective. You can check out other models as well sa Missing Link over at Eastwood. Again, kita natin yung size which is 41 in a wide. So speaking of wide, you might ask, bakit nga ba ako nag-Lake shoes? Recently, nagpa-bike fit ako kay The Fit Lab at yung fitter ko na si Bam, ni-recommend sa akin yung Lake. Mainly for the reason that I have flat feet. So hindi naman tayo nagpabudol agad and we did our own research and I was happy to find that Lake, through its different models, can accommodate different widths ng mga paa. And I find that a bit rare sa mga available cycling shoes in today's market. Looking at the shoes, we can see na yung sides niya are very well ventilated and this will help keep our feet cool. Meron din tayong reflective hints at the back para pag natamaan tayo ng ilaw sa dilim, mas visible tayo. So nung tinry ko siya sa store, honestly, first time ko naka-feel ng sapatos na very comfortable out of the box yung sa gilid ng paa. And that's a very welcome sign for me, given that this is a full carbon sole shoe. In other words, legit yung sizing matrix nila. And speaking of the carbon sole, we have below their Lake Competition 100% carbon fiber sole that according to their website, creates a comfortable, lightweight, and classy package, of course, in a 3-hole cleat pattern. For the MTB lovers out there, alam ko meron din itong 2-hole cleat version. Of course, at the top, we have our foot retention system courtesy of one L6 BOA dial, which tightens one way at para malusin ito ay kailangan mong hilain yung dial. So there it is, the CX219, and looking forward na magamit natin ito out on the road and hopefully makabigay ng long-term review in the future. Here are some more close-up shots of the shoes. Thanks for watching!